About 5 or 6 years ago, my friend built this boat. Now I'm going to modify this two-person boat into a one-person kayak. You can download the free kayak plan at www.diyusa.org. About 6 months ago, we built this Gen 25W, which is a wider boat. The change is very simple. I just changed the width of the design from 26 to 28 inches. Here you can see Gen 25 Rev 3 here on the left, and then the newer version on the right. Now it can handle 260 to 270 pounds. And with a wider boat at 28 inches, bigger paddlers will feel more comfortable sitting inside this kayak. In this rolling test, the wider kayak gives me much better control over how far I can lean without worrying about tipping when compared with the narrower 26 inches wide boat. There are quite a few variations of Gen 25. The best part is they are all built using the same steps and techniques. And if you want to build one, you can watch my playlist, which shows you how to do it step by step. Please go to www.diyusa.org, and once you are on that page, you can click either the button below or go to the top to click on the kayak plan button. On the boat plan page, there's a link to the video which will help you to build this boat. If you scroll down the web page, you will see the plan for the 25 version 3 kayak, which is a narrower version at 26 inches wide. The Gen 25W is the one illustrated in this video. You can open the PDF file by clicking at the icon. You can see the water displacement. That is a different draft. It can handle how much payload. At 4 inches, it should be able to handle around 270 pounds. If you scroll further down, then you can see the kayak plan. If you have any question, please feel free to drop me an email, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.